The way to visualize this is by creating what I call 3D documents. So with this view as it is right now, I'm going to right click and then new document from 3D. And then I'm going to call it program. As I was saying, how you visualize this is by creating a 3D document. So you right click and then new document from 3D and then give it a name. I'm going to just call it program and then create. And then now this is my 3D document. And then now within this 3D document, I can start annotating using my label tool. So I'm going to go to settings. First, I'm going to clear this text and then change this just something, change it to that. And then the pointer, change the arrowhead to maybe that, change this to that. And then now start annotating. Now that I can call it residential. The scale that it is, so maybe I need to make this font size bigger, or I can change this to 1:200. I remember this is at, if I want to see how it will print, I can always go back to 1:100 and then pan this. So that's how it will look when printed. So call that residential. And I'm going to, so let's change this maybe to 8 mm. That's my residential, and then I'm going to copy this around. So when I copy this, I call this my office. Then copy it. That's my Doctor's Plaza. And copy it again. Drag this out. That's commercial. I'll copy to this side. Let's undo that. Let's just mirror it. Control M. Drag this. Drag this up. This is social amenities. And then finally, we have our religious. Yes, and then once I'm done, this is a drawing I can place on layout. So I'm going to go to my layouts. So I want to get rid of this. So in your case, you're going to remove the title block, create your own. So under plans, I'm going to give it a different name. Call it conceptual program. and then just place this 3D document here. So the reason why that is like that is because it's created a new view, and then that view has changed up the layer so the layer combination of that specific view does not reflect my programming. So I'm just going to choose that programming and then click it like that. Maybe this scale is too big, change to 1:500. Maybe you can have a custom one, 1:300. See how that fits. Control D. Yeah, and this title here. So there are some changes which need to be done. So first thing, I want to give it a uniform title pen and maybe give it that. And then under drawing title, under drawing presentation, this fill background pen, I want it to have as that white. The marker pen itself, I want it to be like that. The drawing title text, this text, I want it to have it as a black one. Click OK. I don't really need to see the scale on this title. So under the drawing title, I will go to title text, scale and magnification, show drawing scale, remove. Yeah, and just like that, I have created the beginning of my massing. So this is how my massing will look like.